Hello friends, today's topic, last 2 months you too could have made these profits. I am Dr. Bharath Chandra. Purpose of the video is the financial education of society. Our markets have given short-term investors a great opportunity to make profits in the last 2 months. Since the beginning of November 2023, Nifty has rallied well by 10% in the last 6 to 7 weeks. This has resulted in very good profits in individual stocks too. If you knew technical analysis, then you could have made large portion of these profits. This is a reminder for Dr. Bharath Chandra graduates who do short-term trading to be alert for opportunities. In fact, in such a one-sided rally, most investors would have made some profits. However, at other times when markets are volatile, only skillful investors will make profits and others will get stuck since they don't know technical analysis. This particular video is a reminder for Dr. Bharath Chandra graduates so that they can start making money even now and in the future when the technical analysis, the indications come for buying. If you are not the member of Dr. Bharath Chandra, Rohan Chandra channel, this is the time to subscribe, press the bell icon so that these English videos will come to you regularly with a reminder in your mobile. In case the video is good, press the like button and make sure in case you want to encourage these English videos, please send this video to minimum 100 of your friends so that they too will be alert and they too will be grateful to you in the future. And now certain things to note regarding this particular topic. Please note that the video is only showing the profits which have been made in short term in the current rally in the last 1 or 2 months. 2. Take decision for short-term trades based on what you have learned in the workshop. 3. We have personally made a significant amount of profits in this rally in short term. 4. Many of our graduates have also informed us that they have made good short-term profits recently. Now, profits made in Nifty 50 stocks in this current rally. Adani Enterprises 21%, Adani Ports 35%, Axis Bank 11%, Eicher Motors 18%, ICICI Bank 8%, Titan Company 11%, SBI 12%, M&M 11%, L&T 16%, TCS 9%. Now the profits made in this current rally in Nifty next 50 stocks. Adani Green Energy 63%, Canara Bank 17%, HIL 44%, HDFC AMC 10%, IRCTC 23%, LIC 29%, Siemens 15%, Tata Power 32%, Varun Beverages 25%, LTI Mindtree 17%. Now going to the third index, Nifty mid-cap stocks and the profits made in the current rally. Cottage Properties 22%, IDFC First Bank 6%, L&T Tech Services 17%, Polycab 9%, SAIL 30%, TVS Motors 26%, Trent 40%, Lupin 9%, Jubilant Foodworks 10%, Indian Hotels 9%. If you do short-term trades, you must have made good amount of profits. If you have not made or made small profit, then it means that you are making some mistake or you did not wait sufficiently to earn more profits. End of the video, here is a question. Approximately what percentage of profit did you make in short term in the current rally? Type the percentage in the comment section. As I said, forward this video to at least 100 of your friends so that you can encourage us and motivate us to do more of these videos in English. Normally we have seen the English videos, the subscription and the likes and the forwards are very less. I hope this time you will prove me wrong. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. All the best.